Yeah. Look at this, look. See this, what I'm growing in? Half composted. I haven't gone and done my compost from beginning to end to make it look like the stuff you get from shops in bags. That's half, well look at it, look. It's half composted stuff. Sawdust, leaves, twigs. But look. There's the seed potato, and also this is a determinate, Maris pear. And that means it all grows on one level around that seed potato. If it was an indeterminate, it would grow up the stem, and you'd need the hill. But by showing you that there, look, from the top of the, where it's broke through the soil, to the seed potato, that's it, all on one level. And come and have a look at this soil I've been growing the potatoes in. It's just half composted stuff. It's not fully composted, which proves it doesn't need to go through its full motion of start to finish. If you need compost on the ground, whether it's quarter composted, half composted, 3/4 composted or full, just use it. Because now, when I plant in there again, it's still composting down. It's still going to give the nutrients to the ground. And I can now go on to grow cabbages and my Swedes. But I just wanted to show you. Determine it, all on one level. And look at these potatoes, look. For half composted compost. What do you think of that then?